Title: Geography, Exploring Our World. Meaning: today, we're delving into the word geography. Geography is the study of the Earth's physical features, climate, populations, and the relationships between people and their environments. It's a subject that helps us understand the world we live in. Pronunciation. Pronouncing geography is straightforward. Dʒiʻʒɡrəfi, with a soft G and a long E. Use in a sentence. For example, geography allows us to explore the diverse landscapes, cultures, and climates that make our planet so fascinating. Importance. Geography is an essential field of study that contributes to our knowledge of the world's regions, their challenges, and the interconnectedness of global issues. Conclusion. In summary, geography is a word that enables us to discover the wonders of our planet and appreciate the diversity that exists around us. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word, exploration. Until then, keep exploring the exciting world of geography.